look good. Oh no.
1 hour later.
So it's beautiful. We made it back out here. We're gonna fly this shit. We really are. So my Tyrannus has died, but luckily if you turn your Tyrannus on and then plug in a USB into a battery pack, you're good. You don't need to worry about your battery power, but you do need something to power it on to turn it on initially. So let's get you plugged in and get you up in the air and see what happens. Did you controller make this noise? Found you.
Found you.
My beautiful, beautiful FPV France. So that was the disarm and rearm challenge, which as you saw was successful many a time, not always successful. Sometimes I forget to put my throttle all the way down, and that's what you saw.
She's down! You flip her back over? What do you mean there's more than one now?
Let's go take care of this.
God damn, bro. You're so fucking gnarly.
Oh yeah, that's fine.
That was really good.
Oh look, look, look. His antenna fell off and my antenna fell off, but the pieces work.
Gang.
Boom.
Antenna gang.